Hello again, folks. I got the Columbia out and I'm going to start taking it apart. So let me show you real quick what tools I'm going to use. Typically you could use your bicycle toolkit that has Allen wrenches, screwdrivers, wrenches, and all that. However, my toolkit is metric, so I'm going to have to use a 1/2 inch wrench and a 9/16 wrench to loosen up the bolts. And this wheel has some paint on it. As you can see, somebody's painted the wheel. So I'm going to show you real quick how to remove that back to the chrome. Alright, using just these tools here, a little pneumatic spin thing with a 3M pad on it, green pad, little wet dry sandpaper, toothbrush, and a little 3M Super Duty rubbing compound to polish it. And then of course I'm going to use a lot of these wipes. And for the ball bearings, I'm going to use this parts cleaning bin that I bought. It has the chemical in it, and it also has a little tray. Put your parts on there, soak it in there for a little bit, and then you pull your parts back out and wipe them off. I recommend you wear rubber gloves. I unfortunately don't have any, so I'm going to do my best to try not to get that stuff on my fingers. Alright, there's the bike, and we're just going to go ahead and get ready to rip right into the sucker real quick. So I've already loosened the bolts on the wheel, 1/2 inch wrench, loosen those jokers up, and in this case you're going to have to take them all the way off. I don't know if you saw that. I'm going to take them off. Okay, took them off. Pull that off. That's done. And then, got these doohickeys here to take the tire off. Typically, tires come off very quick. Very easy. Typically, you just start it in there and rip that sucker all the way around like that. Then you could just peel it off the wheel like that, and that's done. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the axle out, and looks like that would be the 9/16. Yep. I'm going to need 2 of those apparently. So what I'm going to do is I'll tighten up one bolt back on there with the 1/2 inch size, just so I can loosen up this side over here with the quicker if you have a pneumatic socket. But really all you have to do is take one side of this off. This actually holds the bearings in. I pull that out a little bit. You got the axle and your bearings. There's one, and that one wants to be stubborn, so then you can pop it out like that. You got those. These parts I'll bring on over to my parts cleaner and I'll pop them in. And they'll just sit in there while I show you the rest of this. So, okay, so next I want to show you how to get the nasty paint off of this wheel. Now somebody probably thought, well, it's easier to paint the wheel. Sorry about the camera bobbling. Somebody probably said, oh, it's easier to paint the wheel than it is to clean the rust off. Well, it's really, it is, but it's not the look I want to go for, so I'm just gonna show you a little bit. See, then I hit this real quick with my sandpaper. Green pad. Hard to work one-handed. Put the rubbing compound down there on the green pad. Get it going real good. Of course, you want to get it polished. You want to polish it, so you do it a few times. But see how quick that came out? Super quick. There's a piece I already polished up to show you how nice that looks. So that's all I really wanted to show you today. Next time I'm going to work on the back wheel. I'll show you the finished front wheel, and then we'll keep on going. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found something that can help you. Leave a comment down below if you want to see some other stuff or something different. I'll be happy to show you whatever I know how to do. Thanks for watching. Until next time.